Hey doctors, I am Sachin Joshi. I know firsthand the hard work you do, the stress you bear, and the impact that you make. That's why since last 7 years, we are helping doctors to boost their income, reduce hassles, and win back time. That means you can earn more, keep more, and enjoy more. Here is how. It's not about cost cutting, but increasing the size of the pie. Without increasing your workload, we are able to increase the revenue by 20 to 40% for our clients. Because we strongly believe in two things. The more profitable you are, the better you can serve your patients. And you can become more profitable without increasing your workload. That's why we created this marketing workshop by investing over 400 hours. We cover a range of topics. How to increase your desired patients. The patients who are happy to pay you the fees that you deserve. The fees that reflect your skills, the risk you take, and the efforts you invest. How to improve patient retention, reviews, and referrals. And how to market cost effectively within the regulations using the latest techniques in digital and social media marketing. We share latest that is happening in the world of marketing and apply it to your health practice. You can walk out with action plans you can start implementing yourself next day and recover your investment in this workshop in no time. Join us for this unique workshop backed by 100% money back guarantee and trusted by hundreds of doctors. The more desired patients you serve when you are at your best is good for you and good for them, right? So click the link below and come over for a weekend that will change your life for better. Thank you.